Namaste children. Namaste to all. How are you? I hope that you are all fine at home. Okay. Now we are going to see about plants as food. Plants as food. We are eating plants, that is plant pods as food, isn't it? In some of the plants we are eating roots, in some stems, then leaves of some plants, then flowers of some plants, fruits of some plants, and grains of some plants, isn't it? We are eating plant pods as food. In there are different edible parts are there, isn't it? Now we shall see that these are the edible parts of the plant. There are so many edible parts of plants, edible parts in so many plants. Now you see that all the parts of different plants are edible, isn't it? Edible na nammalaala saapidakodiya, that is edible, that is saapidakodiya porul. இப்போ வந்து இப்போ ரூட்ஸ் அப்படின்னா இப்போ கேரட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது வந்து ரூட் தான். அந்த பிளான்டோடைய ரூட்டை தான் நம்ம கேரட்டை சாப்பிட்றோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ இந்த பிளான்ட் ரூட்ஸ் ஆர் மாடிஃபைடு ஆஸ் எடிபிள் பார்ட். தென் ஸ்டெம்ஸ் அப்படின்னா சுகர் கேன் சாப்பிட்றோம் இல்லையா, அந்த அந்த சுகர் கேன் இட் இஸ் எ ஸ்டெம். தென் ஜிஞ்சர் டர்மரிக்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுவும் ஸ்டெம் பார்ட் தான். ஆனியன் ஆல்சோ ஸ்டெம் பார்ட். ஸோ அதெல்லாம் நம்ம ஃபுட்டாக எடுத்துக்கிறோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த ஸ்டெம் பார்ட். In that plants that stem is modified as edible part. Then here leaves. The next one is leaf. That is we are eating leaves, green leaves. Then moringa. Then moringa na murungakeera. Then mint, coriander. These are the leaves we are eating. Then flowers, cauliflower, banana flower we are eating, no? That is the edible part. Then next one fruits. Fruits na all the vegetables, that is brinjal, lady's finger, like that. Then grains. Grains na dhaniya vagaigal irukku illaya. Okay. These are the edible parts we are taking as food. Now we shall see roots as food. In your book page number 86, you see that the picture is given here. Carrot, beetroot, tapioca. These are the roots. Many plants store excess food in their roots. And the food வந்து அதில் ஸ்டோர் ஆகிருக்கும் இல்லையா. They have thick and swollen roots. These roots are used as food. Some of them are given below. அந்த ஃபுட்டு வந்து அதில் ஸ்டோர் ஆகிருக்கும். We are taking that part as edible. The next one, stems. That is I told you, no, that stem part. And the food வந்து ஸ்டெம்ல ஸ்டோர் ஆகிருக்கு. சுகர் கேன், ஜிஞ்சர், ஆனியன், that one. The next one, leaves as food. Then coriander, cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable, no? Cabbage. Then moringa. Moringa means moringakeera. Then next one, leaves as food. All the pictures are given here. You see your book. Then flowers as food. That banana flower, cauliflower and clove. Clove na lavangam solluvaanga. Adu that is also flower. Okay. Then the next one is fruits. Fruits as food. Then many fruits are used as food. Isn't it? Many fruits are used as food. Fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. Already we know that. They keep us healthy. All fruits can be eaten raw. எல்லா பழத்தையுமே நம்ம அப்படியே சாப்பிடலாம். Then next one, grains as food. Grains are pulses, cereals and pods are the commonly eaten seeds. They are rich source of carbohydrates and proteins. Now rice, pulses are given. Then fenugreek. Fenugreek means what? Vendai. Okay. Then next one, try to answer is given in your book. You have to write the answer in pencil. Fill in the blanks. That is given in book page number 88. Fill in the blanks is given there. First one, dash flour is used as food. Which flour is used as food? You can write banana flower, cauliflower, anything. I am writing banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. You write in the dash. The next one. Dash part of the potato plant is used as food. Which part which part is used as food? Stem only. Potato is also stem. Stem part of potato. Then next one. Stem of the dash stores food in it. Sugarcane you can write. S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E, sugarcane. Then fourth one. Seeds are rich in, seeds are rich in carbohydrates and proteins. And the proteins. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S, proteins. Okay. And C-A-R-B-O-H-Y-D-R-A-T-E-S, carbohydrates and proteins. Okay. This you have to write it in that, fill in the blanks given in book page number 88. In book page number 88, for fill in the blanks you have to write the answer. Okay. The next one, more to know. Trees are the longest living organism on earth. Bamboo plants can grow up to 90 centimeter in one day. 90 centimeter in one day. The bamboo plant வந்து ஒரே ஒரு நாள்ல 90 சென்டிமீட்டர் வளரக்கூடியது. 90 சென்டிமீட்டர்னா எவ்வளவு இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா 1 மீட்டர்ல ஒரு 10 சென்டிமீட்டர் மட்டும் இல்ல, அந்த அளவு வளரக்கூடியது. ஓகே. Then in book page number 89. Book page number 89. Complete the table to show which part of the plant we eat. இங்க வந்து சில food items were given. You have to write the name of the part that we are eating. Okay. Now in book page number 89. 89 you write it in the tabular column. Carrot. Carrot is the root part. Okay. Carrot. You have to write root. R-O-O-T, root. Then next one, banana flower. That is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Then next one, mango. Fruit part. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Then cauliflower. Flower. The next one, rice. You have to write a seed or grains like that. Then dal, also seed or grains you can write. Then next one, moringa. Leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Then turmeric, I'll write it here. Turmeric stem part. S-T-E-M, stem. Then onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion, stem part. Then cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable, you already know, so you write leaves. Then jackfruit. Write it as fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Then beetroot. Root part. We are eating root part. This you copy in book page number 89 in this tabular column. In this tabular column you copy down the answers. Okay. That is carrot, root part, banana flour, mango, fruit, cauliflower, flour, then rice seed, dal seed, moringa leaves, then turmeric stem, onion stem, cabbage leaves, jackfruit, fruit, then beetroot root. Okay. Next we shall see that evaluation part. Evaluation part, first division, in book page number 89. First division, choose the best answer. I will write only that number and options. Okay. First question, the tip of the leaf is what we call the tip of the leaf, apex. So B option is correct one. B. Apex. A-P-E-X, apex. Then second question, which one of the following is a primary producer? Primary producer is plant. So you write P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Then second question, which flower blooms during winter? In winter, which flower blooms? December. Okay, December, C option. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. Then fourth question, choose the ornamental plant from the list. Parthenium, mango, traveler's palm, groundnut. Here traveler's palm is the answer. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-R-S, travelers. No apostrophe. P-A-L-M, palm. Then fifth question, which plant flower is edible? Cauliflower, potato, mint, cabbage. Which one is edible? Cauliflower. A option. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. Okay. Second division. Fill in the blanks. First one. During photosynthesis, gas is produced and stored in the leaf. Which one is produced and stored in the leaf? During photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process, isn't it? Already we know that photosynthesis is a process in which food is produced during photosynthesis. Okay. So you can write food. The next one. Green plants have dash pigment. Green plant have chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll spelling you know. C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H-Y-L-L, chlorophyll. Then third question, onion is a dash part of the plant. Stem part, S-T-E-M, stem. Then fourth one, the male part of the flower is, which one is the male part of the flower? We have seen that androsium, that for fifth only, you will read it as androsium. For you, which one you read as male part of the flower? Stamen, isn't it? So, you write stamen, S-T-A-M-E-N, stamen. Then, fifth one. An example for edible seed is edible seed. Which one is the example for edible seed? You can rice you can write. Then third division. division. Answer the following in one or two words. Which is the female part of the plant? Pistil. You write pistil. P-I-S-T-I-L. Pistil. P-I-S-T-I-L. Pistil. Write the name of any one of the leaf that is used as food. Which leaf is used as food? You can write cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Then next one. Which flower bud is used as spices in food? Clove. Clove is the flower bud. C-L-O-V-E. Clove. Then next one. What are the nutrients present in the seeds? Carbohydrates and the proteins. C-A-R-B-O-H-Y-D-R-A-T-E-S. Carbohydrates and proteins. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S. Proteins. Then fifth question. Write any one of the flower that blooms in summer. During summer season, which flower blooms? You have to write sunflower, you can write, or otherwise rose, jasmine. Sunflower, you can write sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Okay. Now fourth division. Fourth division, answer briefly. Write the parts of the leaf that you have to mark from page number 77. Page number 77. Parts of the leaf. Only you should write these parts. You mark these parts. Apex, you should write only this. Apex, veins, midrib, blade and petiole. You have to write in book page number 77 for the first question. Okay. Then second question, define photosynthesis. Define photosynthesis. You take book page number 78. In that you see that photosynthesis in rose color, it is given there. From this you have to mark. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their food using chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Up to this you have to write. Okay. You have to mark up to this, you have to mark for second question. Then next third question, write the names of exotic plants. Write the names of exotic plants. For this you have to take book page number 85. Book page number 85. Here some names are given, isn't it? You can choose any four and write. Sago palm, fern, crotons, traveler's palm, boat lily, aloe vera. Out of these six you can write any four. Then next one. What is that last question? Why should we not touch Parthenium plant? Parthenium plant. Why should we not touch Parthenium plant? Because it is allergic. So we should not touch. So you take book page number 86. Here you see Parthenium plant. Some description is given there. You mark from the line 4. The pollen from the pollen bracket podu. The pollen of this plant is allergic in nature. So we should not touch the Parthenium plant. The pollen of this plant is allergic in nature. So don't touch this plant wherever you see. Okay. Okay. Then that's all. Now we are going to see fifth division. Answer in detail. Mark any four parts and describe the parts of the leaf. Okay. That is, we take book page number 77. Book page number 77 எடுத்துக்கோ. Leaf வரைஞ்சி அந்த பார்ட்ஸையும் லேபிள் பண்ணிட்டு ஒவ்வொரு பார்ட்ஸா யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட். இங்கே வந்து 5 பார்ட்ஸையும் டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. நீ எனி 4 பார்ட்ஸை வந்து டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணினா போதும். லீஃப் வரைஞ்சி இந்த பார்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் எழுதிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அப்பெக்ஸ்ன்னு போட்டு த டிப் ஆஃப் த லீஃப்னு எழுது. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வெயின்ஸ் போட்டு வெயின்ஸ் ஆர் பிரான்ச் அவுட் ஃப்ரம் த மிட்ரிப். They are the framework of hollow tubes that carry water and minerals. அடுத்தது midrib. The midrib runs along the center of the leaf. Blade, the broad flat part of the leaf. Then petiole, this part joins the leaf to the main stem. ஈஸியாக தான் இருக்கும். ஆனால் இதில் எது 4 எழுதுனீங்கன்னா that is enough. Okay. Then second detail, draw a diagram of flower and explain the parts of the flower. That one in you see that flower diagram, no? Flower and that parts were given here இல்லையா? இந்த flower வரைஞ்சி இந்த parts எல்லாம் மார்க் பண்ணணும். மார்க் பண்ணிட்டு then you have to write first sepal எழுதுறீங்க. sepal எழுதிட்டு sepals are the protective protective covering இல்லைன்னா sepals are leaves that protect the flower while it is a bud, it is green in color. இது எழுதிறீங்க. Then next one, petals. Petals are often bright colored. Petals are often bright colored. Their main job is to attract insects such as bees, butterflies to the flower. இது வரைக்கும் எழுதினீங்கன்னா போதும். Then stamen heading போடுறீங்க. Stamen can be seen at the center of the flower அப்படின்னு எழுதிட்டு it is the male part of the flower னு மட்டும் எழுதுங்க. Center of the flower வரைக்கும் எழுதிட்டு last sentence பாருங்க, it is the male part of the flower. Then pistil heading போடுறீங்க. Pistil is also seen at the center of the flower னு எழுதிட்டு it is the female, last line பாருங்க, it is the female part of the flower. That's all. Okay. இது மட்டும் எழுதினீங்கன்னா போதும். Then project is given there. Collect the edible parts of different plants used in your home and display in your classroom. Okay. இப்போ உங்க ரூம்ல என்ன உங்க வீட்டில் உங்கள் ஹவுஸில் இப்போ நீங்கள் அம்மா ஏதாவது செய்கிறாங்க சாப்பிட்றீங்க இல்லையா, அதெல்லாம் எந்தெந்த பார்ட்டில் இருந்து செய்கிறாங்க. இப்போ நீங்கள் ஃபுட்டெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்றீங்க, இப்போ சப்போஸ் கீரை சாப்பிட்டீங்கன்னா அது என்ன பார்ட்டு, லீஃப் பார்ட்டு. கேரட் சாப்பிட்டீங்கன்னா அது ரூட்டு. ஜிஞ்சர்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது ஸ்டெம் பார்ட்டு. இந்த மாதிரி யூ ஷுட் ஐடென்டிஃபை என்னென்ன பார்ட்டு நீங்கள் பிளான்ட்டோடைய பார்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்றீங்களோ அதையெல்லாம் யூ ஷுட் ஐடென்டிஃபை அண்ட் யூ ஷுட் நோ விச் பார்ட் ஆஃப் த பிளான்ட். The next one, collect some flowers and discuss with your friends about the parts of the flower. While teaching itself, I told you, no, and the hibiscus flower எடுத்து அதை you can see by yourself. அந்த green கலர்ல கீழே இருக்கிறது வந்து செப்பல், மேலே வந்து ரெட் கலர்ல இருக்கிறது பெட்டல்ஸ், தென் நடுவில் வந்து ஸ்டேமன், மேலே ஸ்டிக்மா இருக்கும். அதெல்லாம் கீழே பார்த்தோம்னா அதையெல்லாம் பிரித்து பார்த்தோம்னா ஓவரி இருக்கும், ஓவல் ஷேப்பில், அது உள்ள ஓவியல்ஸ் இருக்கும். அதையெல்லாம் யூ கேன் நோ பை யுவர் செல்ஃப், அதை நீயாவே செஞ்சு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, தட்ஸ் ஆல் அபவுட் திஸ். வித் திஸ் we shall stop. That second term is over. You are going to write second term examination. Okay, prepare well. You should write all these in your notebook up to this division 5. Already you have completed first and second division in your note. Now you should write this third unit, division 1 to 5 in your note. Okay, then you have to read also. Now today's homework is you have to read and write unit 3. Division 1 to 5. Okay. You should read and write division 1 to 5 in unit 3. Okay. That's all. You are going to write second term exam. So read well. Don't waste your time. Dhanyawad to all.